Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to be unboxing my August crochet mystery box. So if you hadn't heard, I in August this month I started doing monthly crochet mystery boxes, and I'm fixing to show you what the August one had in it. When I post this video, I don't know if I'll have any left of August. I'm just going to be unboxing this and showing y'all what they have in them, so you kind of have an idea for later on months when I do them, kind of what they'll have in them. Because I've seen some boxes that just have the yarn and the pattern, and I wanted to give you a little bit more than just yarn and pattern. I want them to be fun and make them really neat. So if I do have any left of this month, I'll be sure and put the Etsy link below. But anyway, this is August crochet box. Since it's still summer, I stuck with a summer theme, and I'm just gonna get right into it and open. I guess y'all can guess what the theme of this one was. It was summertime and watermelon. I love watermelons. And then we have in here, we have all the yarn that you need to make the bag pattern. I included everything that you need to make whatever pattern except a hook. I didn't give y'all a hook because I figured if y'all are like me, you probably have like 10 hooks already of the same size. So I figured I could spend that money putting towards other things to go in it. So you have all the yarn. I ordered these cute, let me get this turned around, handmade stitch markers from a lady on Etsy. There's her Etsy shop if y'all can read that. And of course it's a little watermelon stitch marker with a lever back. I got the lever back clasp because I thought those would work better for crochet. I gave y'all a handmade hair scrunchie, and it has watermelons on it. And these are actually made, my sister actually made these for me, and I bought them from her to put in all of y'all's boxes. So yeah, and there's her Etsy shop. And little cute scrunchie. I found some cute watermelon little, they're classified as ornaments. This one's a truck with watermelons in the back. I had some that had gnomes on them. These were all different. There were gnomes with like holding watermelons and stuff. Some were like little watermelon popsicles, all kinds of different cute ones. I gave y'all a watermelon car freshie. I gave y'all a couple watermelon Jolly Ranchers, because who doesn't love candy, right? And then I gave y'all some watermelon bubble gum, and that's what was in August box. I will say not all the boxes may hold to a certain theme, but they will all generally kind of range around the same like idea. Like September's, I know it's not really more of a theme, it's more of a color theme, so I'm going by everything like more of the same color. But they are going to be really neat fun patterns. Every month the pattern will change. You never know if you're going to get a wearable item, if it's going to be like the bag, if it's going to be hats, if it's going to be scarves, if it's going to be amigurumi. That's just part of the mystery and the fun. And I know I've had some people kind of want to know what the pattern is, and it's hard because I would like to tell y'all, but I think it's so fun keeping it a surprise. And all the level of the patterns are going to be about a late beginner to early intermediate. But if y'all ever have questions, y'all can be sure to ask me. If the patterns do involve special stitches, I make sure to link those in the PDF to tutorials so everything is clear. And as always, if y'all ever have any questions, y'all can always email me or message me on one of my social medias. Facebook is probably the best one if you're going to pick a social media to message me on. I would do Facebook or email, because anything else sometimes I don't see. But yes, that is my August crochet mystery box. I hope for those that got it enjoyed it, and I hope you will look forward to seeing next month's and future months boxes. Be sure and follow me on my Facebook or Instagram, because that's probably where I'll post when they're ready for purchase the most. I will either be doing them, I'll probably be doing them the first Friday of each month, because Friday just seems to be a good day for me to post them, and it gives me the weekend to box them up, get them ready to ship, and ship them out Monday. So the first Friday of every month, I will do that month's box. So September, I believe the first Friday is actually the 2nd. So Friday the 2nd of September is when I will have September's box available and ready for purchase. And you can always sign up on my email list, because I will send emails out that morning when the listing goes live. They'll probably go live around 9 or 10 o'clock. I think I did them about 9 o'clock this last time. So that's when that'll happen, and I hope you look forward to that. So they're really fun to make and put together, and I really enjoy doing them, and I look forward to putting together a bunch more in the future and designing more patterns for them. So I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. If you did, be sure and subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and happy crocheting, guys.